I'll tell you what this is. This is challenge time. Welcome back, guys. This is Flower Power 2021, and that's right, it is another challenge, another cocktail challenge put forth by myself, Vino at 60-second cocktails, and David at Booze on the Rocks. So rule number 1, you gotta use floral ingredients, alright? So Creme de Violette, I know you got it, and you have no idea what to do other than an aviation. You can use Saint Germain, Elderflower Liqueur. What else you got? You can use a Green Chartreuse. I mean, it's 130 botanicals, secret recipe. I'm sure one of them is a flower. Rule number 2, you gotta garnish with a flower. So go outside, pick some flowers, use it to garnish your drink. All right, rule number 3, of course, use the hashtag FlowerPower2021. And lastly, please post before June 1st, because then we're on to a new challenge. All right, so I'm going to show you how simple this is. I have assembled all my floral ingredients, and we're just going to make a random drink using all these ingredients. So we started with an ounce of London dry gin. I know it's not flowers, but you can get a floral gin, but I mean, it's got a lot of botanicals. After that, a 3/4 ounce Creme de Violette. We're going to follow that up with a 1/4 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. Like I said, I'm using all my floral stuff. A 1/4 ounce of Green Chartreuse. 1/4 ounce of Hibiscus Syrup. That stuff is really potent, really tasty. And then 6 dashes of Lavender Bitters. I've had these for a while, never used them. And yeah, that's a lot more than 6, but those things dash very quickly. To balance it out, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, put some ice, shaky shaky, and then we're going to serve that up in a nice chilled cocktail glass. And I'm calling this guy the Floral Overkill, because that's what it is. And to garnish with the only flower I could find, yes, that is a dandelion. Oh boy. Now, surprisingly, this was a spoof cocktail. I just kind of randomly threw this together, but it actually wasn't bad. It was kind of like a really overly floral gin sour. Really, I actually finished it. It was actually really good. All right, guys, so hope you participate in the challenge. Can't wait to see what you come up with. As always, there's a link to my website below where you can download all the logo files and the banner and the animations. All right, we'll see you soon, guys. Cheers. That is really good.